Solitaire Cache currently uses phone number verification for account login. So, if your account seems locked after a password reset, the first thing to check is whether you're signing in with the phone number originally registered to the account. Ad Solitaire Cached Tonian. The fix is usually to use the existing account sign-in flow, request a new SMS code, and make sure you're not accidentally creating or accessing a different account. Start by opening Solitaire Cache and going to the Account section. Select Sign In under Existing User, then enter the phone number registered to your account and tap Send Code. Solitaire Cache says the login code is sent by SMS, so your device needs to receive text messages normally. Au Solitaire Cache Tone. If the verification code never arrives, check that you entered the correct registered number and that your phone can receive regular SMS messages. Avoid repeatedly entering codes from older messages because you need to use the current verification code provided by the app. If you recently changed your phone number, don't create a second Solitaire Cache account just to get around the login problem. Solitaire Cache provides a specific process for updating the number on an existing account. During sign-in, tap Update here. Then enter your old number, new number, and the email address used when the account was created. You'll then need to verify your identity through the email Solitaire Cache sends you. A Solitaire Cached. Danturiwan. Anabandanibi. A Solitaire Cached. Another thing to check is whether you accidentally selected registration instead of sign-in. Solitaire Cache has separate options for existing users and new registrations, so choosing Register Now can put you into a different account setup process. A Solitaire Cache 3. If the account remains inaccessible after using the correct phone number and verification process, contact Solitaire Cache support, rather than repeatedly resetting credentials. Their support page specifically provides a request form, and the listed support email is solitairecachsupport@papaya.com. A Solitaire Cached for terrain. When contacting support, explain that the account became inaccessible after the password reset, and include the phone number associated with the account, the email used during registration, your device information, and any error message shown by the app. Don't send your password or an SMS verification code. So the key points are simple. Solitaire Cache's current login flow uses your registered phone number and an SMS code. Changing your number requires the account update process, and creating another account is not the right workaround. A Solitaire Cache Tonane. Your next step is to open account, choose Sign In under Existing User, and request a fresh verification code. If the original number is no longer available, use Update here instead. If this fixed your login problem, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.